right, boys. It's about 90 degrees. We got Canadian wildfire smoke out in the abyss. Sled's not movable in the garage, so obviously we have to work on sleds today. Starting out good.
So far, so
Skids in pieces, all the wheels work. Skid is in the machine, and we have now obviously to make it run so we can probably go smoke some mosquitoes out in the field.
Right.
Gotta have the sunblock.
Right. You wouldn't want to get that harmful UV rays.
No,
definitely won't fly off right away when one
No. And we're not going to mention the track clips
Why?
or the condition.
What track clips, might somebody say?
What are we doing, Saul?
There's a few.
What do we got going on? What was the main cause why this guy stopped driving it?
I mean, as you can see with the camera, the fan blades are like gone on half the fan. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah,
It's
you
like,
can definitely see in there. So he claims he heard a growling noise. He thought an ice chunk.
that's what all these chunks were. Was the fan blade?
No, that's whitewash.
Well, I know there's some whitewash.
From the barn.
Yeah. But the guy said what? He thought he sucked a piece of ice into the recoil,
Yeah.
and then it got in there and busted all the fan blades. So he claims. I was thinking drive bearings were out. But we're gonna pull the recoil. It can be done, guys. It can be done. We did this at the track at the.
You know what that sounded like though? The next guy's problem.
The fan blades?
No, the growling.
Oh, yeah. Dude, and let me tell you about when you guys take those belly pan lips there and just, like a razor, run your finger on those and just cut it.
Been there, done that. Remember that?
Yep. With a spring. Pulling the exhaust springs off.
Yep.
Terrible.
On the front, cut me wide open.
Yep.
Sliced me like a melon.
This is a 78, guys. It has 79 like stripes on it, but it's an 8G6 serial. Caleb, what do we see? Oh my, dude! Oh my God, the entire fan blade's busted. Oh my.
Oh, it was still cool though.
So I just gotta pull
All 6 bolts out, yep. And the cup.
in the cup, right?
Yep. So those are 12s.
12.
Yep.
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 It's on top of the box. It should be.
Wow, guys, you can see there.
Bring that dish closer here.
Yeah. You can see, guys, that the fan was indeed disintegrated. But what's one benefit of having a bunch of sleds? We have another fan.
Oh, free part? Well,
Not really free, but.
I mean, it's there.
Gas tank, if you guys can't see, is dry. Enrichment lever works, dude. That's a godsend right there. And it has an air box still. And it has foam in the hood.
And it's not like broken down either, phone.
That's crazy.
And we got a fuel filter that's about a quarter gallon fuel filter.
It's just ready to rub through.
Hey, we got a little conduit.
Condude. Yep, 12 mil, guys. Take that starter cup out, and then you'll be able to get the fan blade off after that. And you know what they always say, time is money. Right, Mr. Hat?
That's right.
Buddy, is it in fact clean?
Oh, she is indeed dry as a fought. It's as dry as a fought.
And is the filter still in there? You know that little suction filter in the cup?
I can't see it.
Negative.
Do you realize?
Dude, this has the original key switch boot cover. That's crazy. And the handlebar pad is
But we're missing something.
a tether. We'll just unplug it.
I'm pretty sure it fired off.
We'll find out.
Oh yeah, she's burning.
Might work. That was off Caleb's. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, yeah.
Dude, they look like a rope.
Black?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they look good, dude. Let me take a look at those again. Wow, dude, yeah. They're
Why is
sniff
that
test?
one?
Ooh, stinky.
Yeah, I can smell your breath. This one's iridium.
Is it really?
Yeah, that one is an
That's an iridium.
small
What kind of
EV, BR9
B9 EV?
Yeah.
BR9 ES.
So put BR9 ESs. I have 2 more over there.
No, we're just trying to get this thing firing.
We're not putting iridiums
I'm
in
not
there.
giving them spark plugs. Alright, that's 2 less plugs we can put in our sled. Life hack of today. You have a small bottle. You see, if you pour it through there, you're done those. But
Would you looky there? And all these years, I've been making a mess.
I've been losing triple the bottle on the ground.
this came across me when I filled the tractor. I picked the tank up. It poured a great stream onto my
That's
eyeballs.
crazy.
A little room for some oil.
Yep, always get some lubricant.
Good.
Excellent. It's not even gonna burn with that much oil. And that Pennzoil, dude, it ain't just oil. It's
Pennzoil.
That's disgusting. Take a look at those banners, though. Wow.
Wow,
That's pretty nice. I mean, and just to think somebody's gonna throw those away.
Yep.
Are we pre-mixing? We're injecting, or?
I think oil injection works.
Ah, it's a Yamaha. No pipe. Oh. No, just run off the manifold. Why not?
No, I don't think it's not gonna get the pipe. I don't think
Oh,
Not start pulling the pipe on me?
absolutely. I'm gonna get right on it. As I've already
Like
almost,
you're moving fast.
as I already almost literally sliced my finger wide open on the belly pan. Really looking forward to doing
I
it.
cut my hand on it.
Yeah.
For sure.
Never seen anything more blue than that oil in that bottle, guys. Take a gander. I mean, Mark, that looks like Dawn dish soap in that bottle. How blue?
Another certain sort of jet.
Someone grab
That's
that
probably
spring
what they
off.
used was a
Yeah,
Pennzoil.
someone grab that spring off quick.
No, that blue. Mark, that's like what was in that Lysol bottle.
Yeah, that's what was in that damn J.
So gross. Putting the pipes in is a little bit of a trickery if you haven't done it before, guys. You just gotta get the fitment just right. This thing looks ceramic coated. Is
Where's
that
the...
spring puller? Yeah. It's hiding right there. Mm-hmm. Oh, absolutely. Will Mark get it? He did. He's almost like he owns one of these, dude.
That's weird.
How many times did you have the pipe on?
A couple, 2, 3.
300? Would you concur?
I would concur.
Mark, do you think it's gonna do you any harm if it doesn't pull off?
Mile down the track. Oh.
Mark, it doesn't shut off until you're off this.
So it's already sold to
Doesn't
3
shut
other
off
people.
until it's at a stop. Alright, can you push the pipe on?
I'm gonna let that get in the track, dude, so it derails itself. Caleb says it has 150 pounds of compression.
It does.
And he says, Seller says it was a race sled. So guys, when they say it's been a...
One other time.
No.
As I'm...
So, I will give you one word of advice. If anybody ever tells you it's a race sled, and the person selling it doesn't look like they've ever raced a single thing in their life,
Don't believe
it is not race
it.
ready.
Most definitely is.
Never. It has never seen, oh boy, it has never seen a track a day in its life. We're good, we're good.
No, the back.
That's fine.
Oh, yep, she's sucking up.
Let's see.
Yeah, it filled the filter.
Nice. And Caleb got it fully full of Gurjuzal.
Oh, yeah.
This thing's only been dormant, dude, since 19.
Yeah.
It isn't. That's good, Mark.
How did the fuel come back?
Yeah, it'll be fine. She's on, Caleb. Just leave it on regular on.
Choker?
No, well, yeah, hang on. No. You probably loaded up, boys. Or you loaded it up, so. Or she's gonna need more. Oh. It's got, I would do mouth mark, then you know it's got a good seal.
My mustache is gonna stink.
Oh, she's gotta be full. Gotta be.
Yeah.
Gotta be, or she's not getting it.
Twitch.
There's
That
fuel in
line
the,
is dry as a fart in
the
the Sahara Desert.
but the fuel filter's full. Can we get it off at the carb? Probably no shot. Well, we might as well attach the cable to the shield on the,
Pull the air box.
yes, so we can feed it. There's no point in trying to wrestle around it.
Probably wide open.
Oh, I think you overloaded it.
Which one's not burning?
Oh,
That one's burning good. That one.
look at, tell Mark, ask if it's flooded.
Which one?
Ask if it's foul.
Which one? You put two moons in?
How's this plug cap look?
Dude, the funny thing is, you guys didn't know I chafed that wire on that stator before you guys.
How would I fucking kill you?
New plugs. Did you check the points gap on it?
They were good.
Looks great. No round with that.
Yeah.
Well, what are the odds?
Maybe I'll start on its own, actually.
What are the odds it runs any better?
Let the expert feel the throttle.
Dude, guys, it's got a little low end bog. Maybe put the airbox on.
It's got some mustard.
Compared to your old 78 from Z-Stroke, this thing's kind of.
Let's throw a gauge down.
Oh, can you still get that boot? Yeah, Mark, we gotta put this in first.
Oh.
That won't go in. It seems to run pretty darn good. We didn't touch nothing on the fuel system. We just put gas in it. Didn't even really pre-mix it. We just said screw it. So we'll get the airbox lid back on. It's together. The sled will be for sale because we don't need another one. I guess if it didn't sell and we don't get a decent money, I guess we'll end up riding it. Maybe it's a nice lake cross runner.
Yeah, it sounds peppy.
Camel class, here you come.
We got a brand new track. Well, I have a 440 track that's good.
Should we do the final start?
Final start. And it's like 80 degrees out. Well, guys, I would say mission successful. She's back together.
Good work.
Original.
Feel work?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. 11,000
I mean,
miles.
with that many miles, it's gotta work. We just need a hook on this side.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about that. For where it's going. Nice guy's problem.
All right.
Might T-Rex tape
That hood's
this?
not in bad shape, though.
No, hood's mint. I would say T-Rex tape the seat before you list it.
Yeah.
Because it's just an eyesore.
Yeah.
And guys, another 78 Exciter back up and running. Minimal efforts.
You see how nice shape that doghouse is?
Oh, it's beautiful.
I mean,
I don't know if I'd even fucking T-Rex tape. That's like the original seat.
It is.
in my mouth.
It makes a nice mess for the next guy.
I'd love to see how this thing handles those spreaders, dude, and those wideners.
Sweet. Well, guys, if you're interested in an Exciter, let us know. Shoot me an email or something. Anything else, boys? Anything else to add?
If we don't sell it, you'll see it in a video in the winter.
If it ain't in the V, you ain't yee.